Hi, this is Troy. Today we're going to just show you how to, a little introduction to Cast-o-Matic, and that's going to be a screencasting option for you guys to, again, broadcast what's going on in your screen and record it to YouTube and share it with students or staff or friends or colleagues, whatever you want to do. It's another alternative to Google Hangouts, which I showed you in another video. I would say it's probably a little more powerful, a little easier. I can move my screen around rather than being stuck and on to the right. That's one feature that's kind of cool. So again, let's go to, we'll attempt to show you what it's going to look like to find Screencast-O-Matic for the first time, okay? Because you're going to have to sign up for an account, things like that. So what you do is you go in here, and we're just going to go ahead and type Screencast-O-Matic. Looks like this, okay? And basically, you're going to see a screen like this for the first time where it's going to ask you to log in or sign up. Click sign up for the first time, and it's going to ask you to sign up with either Google or your email. If you sign up with your email, you just simply type in your email address there. It will, after you click create account, it's going to send an email to your email account asking you to verify that you are indeed doing what they think that you're trying to do. So you'll have to open up your email. There'll be a link in there. You click the link or open the link, paste it into the browser, and then it will prompt you for entering a username and password, which you will have from that point forward. So that's how you register. Once you're in, let's see if I can double log in here. Of course, it's asking me to verify because let's go back a step here. I'll log in. Thanks for bearing with me. Okay, and then you're going to have this screen here where you can, it says that you're logged in here. There's my initials, and you've got Launch Recorder. When you launch Recorder for the first time, it's going to prompt you to download the software. There's a little thing that runs in the background so that you can do that. Go ahead and do that. And then you will have down here in the bottom left a recording button. And when you hit the record button, it'll just start recording your session, but it'll give you a countdown like from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You'll see it visually. And then pretty much everything you do will be broadcast like we're doing right now. You could do just your face full screen if you want, or you could do no video at all and just the screen, or in this case, a combination of both. And you can just move this around if it's in the way, things like that. So what might you do on here? Obviously, you could do like a morning meeting or something where you go through and you bring students through the sequence step by step. It would not be interactive on their part. However, they can see your face and they can see the computer, much like you being a teacher in front of the smartboard. You could have a lesson on here where you invite them to watch a video with you, for example. All right, and maybe you want to watch a video about puppies. I like puppies, and I believe I should be able to do this with audio. So if I click this, we watch it together. All right, and then maybe you have that's your background information you're using. Then you have a worksheet, on another tab, or you open up a Windows doc, whatever you want to do. Basically, on your computer, you can do, and you're casting it for everybody that you're going to record later. Another thing that you might do with a screencast is, narrate some books using pictures. Have the book itself here if you want. Open, read the pages. That'd be one way to do it. Or scan the pages, take pictures of your phone with the pages, and flip through them on your computer with the photo software and read them from there. We'll talk more about that later. Once you actually get into Screencast-O-Matic, a couple things real quick, and then we'll finish this first part. When you click on your name here, you're going to see that there are a bunch of tutorials. This is pretty much all you need to get going. And this will show you how to do what I'm doing right now. It will walk you through. There's 6 different videos just on uploading and saving. Again, it's going to show you how to save it as a video file, how to save it as a YouTube, how to upload it. You can upload it to Screencast-O-Matic if you don't want to do YouTube. If you don't have a YouTube account, how to upload to Google Drive. And these are all 2-minute quick videos that show you how to use it. So again, remember, once you get logged in, and that's probably the hardest part, is to remember to go ahead and view. Let's go back here. You want to go ahead and go through these videos if you need more help, okay? And there's a nice welcome video right here. Go through the tutorials. They're going to do a better job than I'm going to do. But if you need help along the way, let me know. I'll come back with some more videos on some practical things you can do with Screencast-O-Matic. So